Community engagement tasks can range from helping schools out with water harvesting, water boreholes, painting and decorating, and also construction, small construction works as well.
We work in water, so we provide either water capture systems to schools and other organisations so that when it does rain they can capture that water safely. We have also provided borehole installations in some communities, which means that they've got a permanent solution to the lack of water here.
Before the borehole was constructed once again, we had so many problems in the school, especially in the school community, because there was no water. The learners could carry water from their home, and once or twice in a week we could take the learners down to the river around 1.5 kilometers away, whereby they could fetch water for cleaning the classes and cooking and even drinking. The situation now has been okay because we no longer go to the river. The learners fetch water directly from the borehole. We have some tanks, we have some taps. The learners could come get water now. The community had no water, and the one which was there was very little, which was coming in shifts. But now as the borehole has been reconstructed, the community now is able to get water throughout.
Our projects are split into 5 areas. The environment is one of them. As well as mangrove planting, we're going to do a beach clean tomorrow, which will be fantastic.
In the marine restoration program, we have the mangrove restoration programs where we do conduct mangrove planting activities. We have planted about 3,000 mangrove seedlings. Trees are very important in the environment, and the same way comes to the mangroves, whereby they help in protecting the coastal communities from harsh environmental conditions by acting as windbreakers. With mangrove forests, these are the breeding grounds for fish. So that means that if there are no mangrove forests, then as many coastal communities build on the fish for their livelihoods, that means that their livelihoods will be threatened and will be lost. I would like to say thank you to the British Army, who have been really supporting us in our restoration program.
The Kenyan government is hoping to plant 15 billion trees by 2030, and if we as BATUK can help offset that and do our bit, then I think that's clearly a good thing. This year we've planted 50,000, next year we will plant 100,000, we will continue to plant 100,000 per year after that, just to do our bit within the Laikipia area where we do the majority of our training.
We've done other things, so we work with another non-governmental organisation who have designed a dam that you can throw out. It's called Slam Dam. We're working with the local authorities to identify where there's likely to be floods, so that we can see if we can put flood defences, whether that's cleaning out drainage channels or putting things in place.
They have really done much to us. They have really helped us so much, and you can see that we are going far. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for inviting us here to see the progress that you've made. I wish you all the luck. You've obviously worked really hard to get the agricultural side of it ready for when the water's ready. I'm going to come back, so in 3 months' time I'm looking forward to your to see your progress. But thank you so much for having us here and for allowing us to help you. And yeah, good luck. Asante sana.